For many years, people have often soaked their grubby clothes in hot water before cleaning them. Most of us also traditionally use hot water for cleaning the dishes or mopping the floor too, as we all just know instinctively that hot water is more effective for cleaning than cold water. But do we really understand the scientific reason why we are better to use hot water for cleaning and other household purposes? It is good to understand just why hot water is beneficial for washing dishes and floor surfaces in particular. During the process of heating water, its molecules move faster given the higher level of kinetic energy present, and it is a direct feature of higher kinetic energy that gives water a more solvent capacity. The higher the kinetic energy in molecules, the faster they will agitate the surfactants, effectively attacking stains more easily. In comparison, cold water will have a compact molecular structure due to less kinetic energy being present, thus its solvent properties are far less. Hot water will also naturally expand, meaning more space between molecules, providing more room for dissolved solvents, making the hot water a better host for the solvents that remain and remove dirt, stains, grease and oil. Hot water will also transfer heat when it contacts anything, helping to lift dirt more effectively, but to understand this better, we should look at how detergents interact with cold and hot water. We already know that hot water can hold more detergent molecules, allowing them to bond with and remove dirt. Hot water alone cannot bond with any insoluble dirt, making it a better medium to clean than cold water. Whilst cleaning dishes, the biggest challenge is removing the oil present. Heat from hot water causes the oil to expand, therefore losing its grip on the surface. But the most effective method is hot water in combination with a strong detergent. When it comes to kitchen surfaces, the efficiency of hot water in cleaning will depend on the type of cleaner that you use. Should you use products containing natural ingredients like vinegar, lemon or baking soda, hot water is more suitable as it increases the aggressiveness of these ingredients in removing dirt. However, if using a chemical-based cleaner, it is likely that cold water may be the better option, as hot water will deactivate certain properties in bleach, for example. Hot water is certainly recommended for washing clothes, given that it improves the efficiency of bespoke detergents, speeding up stain removal, thus reducing the time taken and amount of detergent required. That said, the type of fabric being cleaned must also be considered. Hot water may not be suitable for woolen clothing as it can detrimentally break up the fibres, but can be extremely effective for material like denim, cotton and linen. Whilst hot water may not be capable of cleaning bloodstains, it can be fantastic in removing stains made from wine or ketchup. In conclusion, hot water is more suitable for cleaning purposes. It is a very effective solvent. When combined with a cleaning compound, hot water becomes a powerful catalyst for the removal of stubborn stains made by dirt and grease.